Names and Gestures is a game worth playing with a new group of people. It's both a good icebreaker and a name learning game. The participants stay in a circle. One of them starts the game by saying his or her name and making chosen gesture, posture or special movement. The rest of the group repeats both the name and the gesture.
3, 2, 1.
The game continues with a new participant standing on the right. There is another version of the game, where every participant has to repeat names and gestures made by all the other participants before him or her. In that case, the last person in the circle has to repeat all the others' names and with their gestures. It is possible to include language learning in this game. For example, participants first can say their name and then a name of any subject in selected language, starting with the same letter as their name. They can use gestures or pantomime to show the meaning of the subject. Every next participant will have to repeat the name of previous participants with their chosen subjects, while also showing the meaning of them in the same way.